This is another video of text thread because on default, if you set a document and there have a content like just set placeholder text and make it more pages on there inside another pages copy and paste. So if we just throw the text on there you can see there are no text thread to show, and this is the things actually we need to show the text thread because we can figure out which text thread are going on there, and that's why you just need to go view and go to extras, and there you can see the show text thread. And right now if you click here, then you can see the text thread showing right now. That's it. Thank you.